Good day, my beautiful pupils at home. How you doing? Hope you're staying safe. I am Esther Appan, year 1 teacher. Today in our social studies, we shall be talking about transportation. We shall be talking about what? Transportation, and also the means of transportation. Now, when we say transportation, what is transportation? It is the movement of people from one place to another. Transportation is the movement of people from one place to another. The movement of goods and services from one place to another is also known as what? Transportation. How do we move from this place to another place? Now, in the olden days, the means of transportation that our forefathers make use of them was what? I said here, in the olden days, people walk from one place to another. They trek from one distance to another. Some make use of what? Animals such as horses, donkeys, or camel. Those ones are the people that can afford to buy them. But nowadays, which is the modern means of transportation, what do we use? I said here, the following are the modern means of transportation. One, we have transportation by land. This is the transportation that takes place on land. And what are the means of transportation used on land? We use bicycle, lorries, cars, and train. That's what we use on land transportation. Another means of transportation is by water. This is a means of transportation that takes place of water. We make use of canoe, motorboat, and ship. They are the ones that we use on water. Another modern means of transportation is by air. As it is the means of transportation that takes place on earth. For instance, we have jets, helicopter, and aeroplane. They are the means of air transportation. And before I proceed, this air transportation is the fastest means of transportation. With air transportation, you can get to wherever you want to go on time. Exactly. The three modern means of transportation they have by land, by water, and by air. And I told you that air transportation is the fastest means of transportation. Okay, my wonderful people, before I go, the question for our home drill is, number 1, what is transportation? What do you understand by transportation? 2, list 2 means of land transportation. What are the transportation that we use on land? 2 means. 3, the fastest means of transportation is, you tell me. 4, water transportation takes place on dash. Is it on land, on air, or on water? Number 5, dash is an animal used on land transportation. Is it car, camel, or canoe? Look at the question very well. I said dash is an animal used on land transportation. Is it car, camel, or canoe? Okay, my wonderful pupil. Until I see you again, have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.